How to fix camera not working on Windows 10 problem. I'll tell you 4 simple steps which you need to follow, and let's hope for the best. Let's fix it together. So the very first thing is doing a right click in the start button and then go to settings. Once you go to settings, type camera and you will find camera privacy settings. Once you open that, make sure this 2 options should be turned on: allow apps to access and from MicroStore can access your camera. And if it's already turned on, then turn it off and then turn it back again, and then check if your camera is working or not by just typing the camera in the search bar. So if it doesn't work, we will move to the next step, and the next step is, again, we need to do a right click on the start icon and then we need to go to device manager. A device manager will look like this, and we need to look for the cameras here. Now in most of you guys will have only 1 option or 2 option. Just look for your main camera model number, and if it only says integrated camera, just do a right click on that or just do a double click and go to drivers window and click on uninstall device. Once you click on uninstall device, make sure this should not be checked. I'll repeat myself, you don't have to check mark this, because if you check it, the driver will be deleted from your machine and might be very hard for you to install that driver again. So by just clicking on uninstall, it will remove that, and then we need to go to actions and look for scan for hardware changes. The moment we do it, the camera will appear, and just check the camera is working or not. If it doesn't, just restart the machine and check. Okay, because restart may require once we uninstall and reinstall. If it doesn't work, we will move to the next step, is again doing a right click or double click, and this time we will click on update driver. Now here, go for the first option which says search automatically for the drivers, and if it says the best driver is already installed, then click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now it might take 2 to 5 minutes according to your internet speed, but it will update the camera, the latest driver for your machine. Once it's done, restart the machine and check if it's working. If it doesn't, then again do a double click, go to drivers and then click on update driver. This time we will be actually rolling back the driver. So if most of the machines have the older version of drivers, so we will click on this browse my computer and then we will click on let me pick from the list available. The moment you will click on it, you will get 2 or 3 whatever the devices drivers you will find. Make sure just select the older version and click the next button, and it will install the driver for you, and then check if the camera is working. If it doesn't, we have the last option is to check the driver in the manufacturer's website. So I'm using the Lenovo ThinkPad i7 10th generation. So look for the model number and make sure you are only visiting the manufacturer website, not any other website. And from here, download the latest driver, and once you download and install, restart the machine and see if it's working or not. So please hit the like button and subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. There will be more helpful videos for your computer. Bye bye.